line of the third part of the advanced universal drum. The first line is I, san, ha, I, san, ha, I, san, si, chi, zo, yo, ha, I, san, ha, I, san, ha, I, san, si, chi, zo, yo, ha. Now, let's try it on the drum twice using the speed of hand. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's increase the speed to 110. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of today's class. Please remember to like and subscribe. Also check out our Facebook and TikTok page. We go by the name of Mandarin Performing Arts School. I hope you enjoyed my class. See you next time. Goodbye.